So hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my slime from my other video from today. So here it is. And go to Family Dollar and get you some of these glues because these are, you don't have to buy no food coloring, you just gotta add shaving cream in and your Tide and baking soda. And yeah, so this here is my slime. It smells good, y'all. Smell it. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. Okay. So so next time I'll be making slime backwards. First I'm gonna put the activator, shaving cream and the stuff, then I'm mix. So wait, yeah, I forgot the baking soda. I didn't want to use light blue because blue is my favorite color. Okay, so y'all, I'm about to add some more shaving cream. There. Believe true. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna show it to y'all. I wish I had some sugar. Sugar in a cup. And some onions. Ew, y'all guys. I'm about to put this back up. Don't ever forget, slime is fun to play with. Add a little gold here. I added a little gold to show y'all the gold. Okay, so here's okay. Your skin is sticky. Here's the gold. See that? Next time I add some Model Magic. I went swimming yesterday and my brother, I had drowned it. I didn't drown him, I tried to. He had pushed me, then he threw me in 6 feet. And then when I had came back up, I swam up to him to 4 feet. To 5. It was like, he needs to stop playing too much. Use some pink glitter. Yeah, I'm just using turquoise.
Do what? Yeah. It's dynamous.
Yeah, I'm gonna see the turquoise now to mix it. Come back when it's done. Okay, y'all, it's done. Make a big slime, so.